Hi, it's me, Bobby again. Now I'm going to show you how I grade most of my assignments. So when I grade assignments, I make sure to use the rubric and I type feedback into the text box here. But also, I like to use returned attachments down here to attach marked files of the homework that was submitted. If I'm grading an assessment in a Word file, I sometimes use little pictures to show correct or incorrect, like this green check or this red X. I insert them just like this. I hit insert, make pictures, and insert whatever picture I got. I can also resize the picture so it's not as big. And there you go. Then I hit save. So I put a returned attachment of the graded assignment right there. And then the student can download it and review it on their own. As long as they review it, then we can move on to the next section in the textbook or the next chapter in the novel or the next student ability, whatever. So that's pretty much how I grade assignments.